Ever dreamed of exploring an alien landscape right here on Earth? Join us as we journey to Tolbachik Volcano in Kamchatka, where fiery eruptions meet breathtaking vistas. This is an adventure you won't want to miss. Let's go! Tolbachik Volcano in Kamchatka, Russia, is one of those awe-inspiring destinations that offers a truly unique travel experience. This active volcano, part of the larger Klyachevskaya volcanic group, beckons adventurers, nature lovers, and anyone fascinated by the raw power of our planet. Kamchatka itself is a land of dramatic landscapes, boasting a mix of rugged mountains, verdant forests, and expansive tundra, but Tolbachik stands out as a crown jewel of this remote peninsula. The best time to visit Tolbachik Volcano is during the summer months from June to September. During this period, the weather is more temperate, and the snow that can make the terrain difficult to navigate has melted. Summer provides the best conditions for hiking, camping, and exploring the volcanic and surrounding landscapes. However, if you're captivated by winter landscapes and the stark beauty of snow-covered volcanoes, late spring or early autumn also offers a unique and breathtaking experience. Tolbachik's allure lies in its dramatic eruptions and the unique geological features they create. The volcano has two primary cones, Ploski Tolbachik and Ostry Tolbachik. Ploski Tolbachik, meaning flat Tolbachik, is known for its frequent and less explosive eruptions, which result in vast lava fields and fascinating lava tube formations. Ostry Tolbachik, or sharp Tolbachik, while more dormant, is notable for its steep, conical shape that rises majestically into the sky. One of the most famous eruptions in Tolbachik's history occurred in 1975 to 1976, known as the Great Tolbachik Fissure Eruption. This event was remarkable not only for its scale but also for the significant scientific research it generated. The eruption produced extensive lava flows that reshaped the landscape, creating a surreal and otherworldly terrain. Even today, these lava fields are a major draw for geologists and tourists alike. The molten lava created a spectacular display, lighting up the sky and flowing down the slopes, leaving behind a hardened river of rock that can still be explored. Visiting Tolbachik is akin to stepping onto another planet. The vast lava fields stretch out as far as the eye can see, creating a desolate yet strangely beautiful landscape. The black and red hues of the lava rock contrast sharply with the vibrant greenery of the surrounding tundra and the snow-capped peaks in the distance. This stark contrast makes Tolbachik a photographer's dream, offering countless opportunities to capture the dramatic beauty of the region. For hiking enthusiasts, Tolbachik offers a variety of trails that cater to different levels of experience. One of the most popular routes is the hike to the summit of Ploski Tolbachik. This challenging trek takes you through rugged terrain, past steaming fumaroles, and across expansive lava fields to the crater's edge. The views from the top are nothing short of spectacular, with panoramic vistas of the volcanic landscape and distant mountain ranges. On a clear day, the Pacific Ocean can even be seen glistening on the horizon. Geothermal activity is another fascinating aspect of Tolbachik. The area is dotted with hot springs and fumaroles, where steam and gases escape from deep within the earth. These geothermal features create a dynamic and ever-changing landscape, with new fumaroles and hot springs appearing and disappearing over time. The geothermal activity also supports unique ecosystems, with hardy plants and microorganisms thriving in the harsh conditions. These features not only add to the visual appeal but also provide insights into the powerful geological forces at work. Camping near Tolbachik is an unforgettable experience. The clear, unpolluted skies of Kamchatka offer some of the best stargazing opportunities in the world. Imagine sitting by a campfire, surrounded by the eerie beauty of the lava fields, with the Milky Way stretching overhead in all its glory. The silence of the night is only broken by the occasional rumble of the volcano or the distant howl of a wolf. It's a place where you can truly connect with nature and experience the raw power of the earth. Wildlife enthusiasts will find much to marvel at in the Tolbachik region. Kamchatka is home to a rich diversity of wildlife, including brown bears, reindeer, foxes, and a variety of bird species. The remote and rugged terrain provides a haven for these animals, and sightings are common, especially during the summer months when the animals are most active. The chance to see a bear fishing in a river or a reindeer grazing on the tundra is a highlight of any visit to Kamchatka. Tolbachik is not just about natural beauty and geological wonders. It also has a rich cultural history. The indigenous peoples of Kamchatka, including the Idolmen, Koryak, and even people, have lived in harmony with the land for thousands of years. Their traditional knowledge and practices offer valuable insights into the region's ecology and the sustainable use of its resources. Visiting local villages and learning about their way of life adds a cultural dimension to the Tolbachik experience, providing a deeper understanding of the region's history and heritage. One particularly interesting aspect of Tolbachik's cultural history is the use of volcanic rocks and minerals in traditional crafts and tools. The sharp, glassy edges of obsidian, a volcanic glass, have been used by indigenous peoples for making tools and weapons for millennia. Today, you can find beautiful obsidian jewelry and other crafts made by local artisans, offering a unique souvenir of your visit to this remarkable region. Despite its remote location, getting to Tolbachik is relatively straightforward for the intrepid traveler. The journey typically begins in the city of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, the main gateway to Kamchatka. From there, you can take a scenic helicopter flight or a rugged off-road vehicle journey to the base of the volcano. The trip itself is an adventure, offering stunning views of Kamchatka's diverse landscapes, from dense forests and rolling tundra to towering mountains and steaming volcanic vents. One of the most rewarding aspects of visiting Tolbachik is the sense of exploration and discovery. Unlike more touristy destinations, Tolbachik offers a true wilderness experience where you can venture off the beaten path and discover hidden gems. Whether it's a secluded hot spring, a unique rock formation, or a breathtaking viewpoint, there's always something new to discover at Tolbachik. For those interested in geology and volcanology, Tolbachik is a living laboratory. The ongoing volcanic activity provides a unique opportunity to study the processes that shape our planet. Guided tours with knowledgeable experts can enhance your understanding of the geological features and phenomena, making your visit both educational and awe-inspiring. The Tolbachik region is also an excellent place for adventure sports. The rugged terrain and diverse landscapes provide a perfect playground for activities such as mountain biking, rock climbing, and even paragliding. The thrill of exploring this dynamic environment adds an extra layer of excitement to your visit. In recent years, efforts have been made to promote sustainable tourism in Kamchatka, ensuring that the unique natural and cultural heritage of the region is preserved for future generations. By choosing eco-friendly tour operators and respecting local customs and regulations, visitors can help protect this pristine environment and support the local communities. Tolbachik is also part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site Volcanoes of Kamchatka, recognized for its outstanding natural beauty and geological significance. This designation highlights the importance of preserving the region's unique landscapes and ecosystems for future generations to enjoy. One cannot talk about Tolbachik without mentioning its unique flora and fauna. The volcanic soil, rich in minerals, supports a variety of plant species that have adapted to the harsh conditions. The vibrant wildflowers that bloom in the summer add splashes of color to the otherwise stark landscape, creating a stunning contrast against the dark lava rock. Birdwatchers will also find Tolbachik a paradise, with species such as the peregrine falcon and the rare stellar sea eagle making their home in the region. For those with an interest in photography, Tolbachik offers endless opportunities to capture breathtaking images. The play of light on the volcanic landscape, the vibrant colors of the flora, and the ever-changing weather conditions create a dynamic and visually stunning environment. Whether you're an amateur photographer or a seasoned professional, Tolbachik will provide you with unforgettable shots. A visit to Tolbachik also offers a chance to experience the famous Russian banya, or sauna. This traditional steam bath is an integral part of Russian culture and provides a perfect way to relax and rejuvenate after a day of exploring the volcanic landscape. Many local guest houses and campsites offer banya facilities, allowing you to enjoy this unique cultural experience in the heart of nature. Another fascinating aspect of Tolbachik is its role in scientific research. The Great Tolbachik Fissure Eruption of 1975 to 1976 attracted scientists from around the world, who studied the eruption and its effects on the landscape and ecosystems. The data collected during this period has contributed significantly to our understanding of volcanic processes and has helped improve volcanic monitoring and prediction techniques. The Tolbachik region also has a rich history of exploration and adventure. Early explorers and scientists braved the harsh conditions to study the volcano and its surroundings, leaving behind a legacy of discovery and knowledge. Today, modern adventurers can follow in their footsteps, exploring the same rugged terrain and uncovering the secrets of this fascinating region. For those seeking a deeper connection with nature, Tolbachik offers a spiritual and meditative experience. The stark beauty and solitude of the volcanic landscape provide a perfect setting for reflection and contemplation. Many visitors find a sense of peace and tranquility in the vast, open spaces, away from the distractions and noise of modern life. In conclusion, Tolbachik Volcano in Kamchatka is a destination like no other. Its dramatic landscapes, active geothermal features, and rich cultural history offer a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer, a nature enthusiast, or simply someone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, Tolbachik promises a journey of discovery and wonder. The best time to visit is during the summer months, but the beauty and allure of Tolbachik are timeless. So pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and get ready to explore one of the most remarkable places on Earth. What an amazing trip to Tolbachik Volcano! If you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Share your thoughts in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next video.